Veeqo Tutorial 2025, How to use Veeqo for beginners. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the basics of using Veeqo to manage inventory on orders effectively. First, log into your Veeqo account. The dashboard provides an overview of your sales, orders, and inventory levels. This is your main control center for managing your business. To get started, go to the Inventory tab, and then from here you can add products manually or import them using CSV file. Make sure to include accurate SKUs, prices, and stock levels to maintain consistency. Once products are added, connect your sales channels. Veeqo integrates with platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and eBay, syncing your inventory in real time. This prevents overselling and stock discrepancies. Next, go to the Orders tab. You can view, manage, and fulfill orders from all connected channels in one centralized location. Veeqo also allows you to print shipping labels and send tracking updates to customers. In the Reports section, you can analyze sales performance, identify top-selling products, and monitor stock selling, or identify top-selling products and monitor stock movement. Regular reporting helps you make data-driven decisions for restocking and pricing. And that's how you use Veeqo as a beginner in 2025.